Namaste. I, JBN Dr. Vaichandra Kala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today in this session, we are going to discuss from the topic biosafety and IPR, and we are going to talk on the topic regulations specific to biotechnology companies and research institutes. So, the regulation, when we talk about the biotechnological regulation process, the regulation of genetic engineering concerned approach taken by the government to assess and manage the risk associated with the use of genetically engineered technology. Okay? And the development and release of genetically modified organisms, including crops and genetically modified fishes and other organisms. So the regulation of genetic engineering concerned approach taken by the government to see the what are the risks associated with that of the genetically modified organisms. So the biotechnological crop are undergoing more testing and oversight before commercializing them at any other agriculture product, including the conventional crops. So before we submit a biotech crop to regulatory agency for approval, the research team have to put through numerous tests to ensure and prove it is safe as it conventional or equivalent to the. Okay, here how the work process take place. Okay, so the characterizing a new biotechnological approach to the product at this stage in the regulatory process, Monsanto must prove the gene insert is safe and the protein produced by the inserted DNA is also safe. Okay, this includes verifying the inserted one copy of gene and the copy of the intact. We have not inserted any of the portion of the DNA. Okay, so the specified gene has to be inserted, and likewise, in some cases, RNA interference is used to express a trait. RNAi is a mechanism used to naturally for the by the cell to regulate gene expression. Okay, so this stage include a comparative safety assessment. Okay, so animal performance and assessment. Even if Monsanto know the new biotechnological products are commercially the same as that of the conventional counterpart, we generate additional assurance of the food. Okay. So when we come to the natural environmental safety point, so it has to see what is the if it is interacting with the environment, what will be the effect on the growth, development, and interaction on other insects. Okay. When we see the biotechnological regulatory agencies, so FDA is there, Department of US Department of Environmental Protection agencies are there, Biotechnological Regulatory Authority of India is there, is a proposed regulatory body in India for the use of biotechnological products, including the genetically modified organisms. So when it comes to the legal aspects of that, like state has to take the steps, like announcing a separate biotechnological policy for these states, setting up a task force for with an experiment to guide them on policy issues, setting up an exclusive biotechnological park with agriculture, health biotechnology as a key area. So DBT and genetical engineer and approved committee is taking care of this. When we say most important committees are like IBSC, Institutional Biotechnological Committee, responsible for the local implementation and guidance, review committee, like for the genetical manipulation, ask the GM responsible for issuing the permit. So, so research activity includes a genetical manipulation of the microorganisms. Okay, so it like we see ICMR, ICAR, CSIR. Okay, so so the approval of from many of in angle to, for the environmental, we can say the Ministry of Environment. This so import, export, transport, and manufacturing and processing and selling of the microorganism or genetically engineered substance or cell includes foodstuffs and additives that contain product derived by the gene therapies. Okay. Then the pharmaceutical biotechnological aspects where the bulk of drugs are produced by using recombinant DNA technology. So bulk of drugs requires in vivo nucleic acid or a cell or tissue targeted formulation procedure, the research and development, manufacturing or import. So so here when you talk about this, IPR is also an aspect for the creation of minds, human minds entangle the intellectual translate into tangleable products. So the major elements to or form of the intellectual property right here today includes the patent, utility of or the modeling, industrial design, trademarks, and service mark, geographical identification line, or a copyright, or a plant breeder rights. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt or queries, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Namaste.